ग्रहण करी समस्ते श्रृंखला सहित निज निज मोबाइल फोन को साइलेंट कर निज निज जगह बसवा और कार्यक्रम को सुचारू रूप परिचालन करें समस्त साहाय्य देगा।
Good afternoon. My heartiest greeting to Honorable Principal Sir, beloved teachers and respected chief guests. Myself Rajeshwari Sethi. Today I am here to speak about one of the greatest spiritual master of Indian, Swami Vivekananda. Faith is in younger generation, the modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. There will work out the whole problem like lives.
He was a great philosopher and he is immortal in our hearts forever. Thank you.
Subhash Chandra Bose, who was called to Vivekananda, the maker of the modern India. He worked in the field of social service and spoke to people of India and urged them to eliminate the caste system and promote science and technology and the industrialization in the education. The role of Vivekananda in the modern India or their contribution towards India is very great. Vivekananda played a great and a major role in growing Indian nationalism in the late 19th century. He considered a pioneering figure in India who worked towards bringing massive